Every day, millions of people trust their internet traffic to VPN companies they've never met. They trust that their browsing isn't being logged. They trust that their data isn't being sold. And they trust that the company behind the VPN is actually doing what it promises. But what if there was another option? What if instead of trusting someone else's VPN, you built your own? Today, I'll show you why security professionals create personal VPN servers, what advantages they offer, and how you can build one yourself. Let's get started. What is a VPN? Pipe. A virtual private network, or VPN, creates an encrypted tunnel between your device and a remote server. Instead of websites seeing your home IP address, they see the IP address of the VPN server. Your internet traffic becomes encrypted while traveling across public networks, making VPNs especially useful on hotel Wi-Fi, airports, cafes, and other untrusted connections. But not all VPNs are created equal. When you use a commercial VPN provider, you're simply shifting trust from your internet provider to the VPN company. Why build your own VPN? Pipe. The biggest reason is control. You control the server. You control the logs. You control who has access. A personal VPN also gives you secure remote access to your home network from anywhere in the world. Need access to your files while traveling? Need to manage a home lab remotely? Need encrypted access to your devices while using public Wi-Fi? A personal VPN can handle all of that. There's another advantage too. Many websites block traffic from popular commercial VPN providers because thousands of users share the same IP addresses. A private VPN server uses your own unique address, making it less likely to trigger those restrictions. Of course, there are trade-offs. A personal VPN won't make you anonymous online, and it won't magically bypass every restriction on the internet. Its purpose is security, privacy, and remote access, not invisibility. What you'll need. 240 Building your own VPN is easier than most people think. You'll need 3 things: a server. This could be a cloud server, a virtual private server, or even a small computer running at home. Second, VPN software. WireGuard and OpenVPN are currently 2 of the most popular options. And third, a public IP address or domain name so your devices know where to connect. That's it. No expensive hardware. No enterprise equipment. How it works. Step 1. Install your VPN software on the server. The software creates secure encrypted tunnels for incoming connections. Step 2. Generate encryption keys or certificates. These act like digital identities that allow only authorized devices to connect. Step 3. Configure your firewall rules and allow VPN traffic through the required ports. Step 4. Install the VPN client on your laptop, phone, or tablet and import your configuration. Now when you connect, your device creates an encrypted tunnel directly to your server. Whether you're in a coffee shop in another city or traveling internationally, your traffic can securely pass through infrastructure that you control. Modern VPN protocols like WireGuard are surprisingly fast and lightweight. Many users see performance close to their normal internet speeds. Should you build one? Pipe. If your goal is streaming from another country anonymously, a commercial VPN service may be simpler. But if your goal is secure remote access, protecting yourself on public Wi-Fi, accessing home resources, or learning valuable networking skills, building your own VPN is one of the best cybersecurity projects you can undertake. You'll learn about networking, encryption, authentication, firewalls, and secure remote access. Skills that are valuable far beyond VPNs themselves. Closing. 4:45 o'clock. The question isn't whether VPNs are useful. They absolutely are. The real question is this: would you rather trust your data to a company you've never met, or infrastructure that you control yourself? Because sometimes the best privacy solution isn't buying another service. It's building your own. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe for more cybersecurity, networking, and ethical hacking content. And let me know in the comments, would you use a commercial VPN, or would you build your own?